my friends, this is the FX Hunter here with the daily opportunities as usual. I did not make a video yesterday because I went to the dentist, so I had to skip that, but I will continue with doing this and continuing with my research about this strategy which I'm testing right now. So as I already said, these videos I'm doing it for my testing purposes so I can come back, but I'm be more than happy to share it with you so you can come back to me with some feedback. So let's try to find some opportunities on these 12 pairs which I'm watching for this strategy. So we are now looking to the gold. Gold, as we can see, is in the big uptrend on the daily chart. We can see that the market was going up, and we saw the big something like we could call it like a pin bar or something like that. We saw some big spike on the non-farm payrolls last week when the market dropped down. Then the market retraced. So what do I see here is in the long term I think the gold is still bullish, and it could continue up, of course, and this was just a reaction for the NFP. So it dropped and then moved back, and now it's dropping lower again. So what we can see here is actually nothing much, because it still can go, still the long term is expected to go up. However, in the 4 hours chart it's now dropping lower. So I would not be interested to short it. Even I think it could go lower, because I see here that a lot of traders went long. We can see there is a lot of orders which have been created maybe here on this dip, or maybe when the market was going up here, which I suppose that it's more possible, because from my studies I found out that the mostly retail traders, when the market is going up, they just start chasing it, so they go up again. So now they are trapped here, and the market is taking them down, and they have stop losses. They put stop losses below down here. So I think we will probably see this drop to fill up these stop losses, because the stop losses, what does it mean? It's just the money, nothing else. It's the money for the market makers. So they're just going to pick them, and they will actually squeeze these bulls in the market. So they will have to sell them their contracts for the price which market makers, the banks, wants to. So they will probably drop the price down here, and then they could continue up. It's the question. But for me, for the intraday opportunity, I expect it to drop down, but it's not high probability for me this trade. So I skip this one. This is the euro. It's very similar. I like to see the euro dropping down. And I think it's highly possible. However, if you look to the daily chart, we can see that we have these pin bars or these tops, these wicks, sorry, not the pin bars. So I think that many people is already shorting it, and you can see that there is a big cluster of the sellers, and there's not much buyers here, and here will be the stop losses above. So I think we could go up on this one. Ratio is not telling me not that much, but I think we will come up as well. I will not take this trade, because as well it's not high probability. The market is like, you know, market is like in the middle of this move. So we are right now somewhere like here, and in the between these two last swings, and it's more probably it will come up to take the stop losses before it start to drop lower. And why more of these stop losses are here is mostly because the people see it's bouncing, you know, so the market makers are actually setting the trap, and they might drop the market lower first. So they attract even more sellers, and here will appear more stop losses, and then they will come for them. So I think it will go up, and might put the buy limit down here on these stop losses, because they will probably, what they're doing, they will probably, you know, drop it lower to take more people to the shorts and then up. So I will test it with this trade. As I said, I'm testing with 0.01 because it's the testing this strategy, but I'm testing it on the live account. This one, it's Aussie, and here it looks more interesting. So what do we saw, what happened on the daily? If you remember this big crash last week, it was I think the Thursday morning, we saw this huge pin bar, and since then the market is moving up, and we have a lot of people going longs as the market is going up, and now it's like this range. I like this because what is said here, we can see that we had the level where was the stop losses. Some of them are lower, some of them higher, and some of them are here. So if I look to the ratios, I see that in many brokers or the MYFXBOOK and Saxo and the Forex Factor, the more people are to the long. So per my research, if more people is to the longs, I expect the market to go short. However, this range is not telling me the much. So what I think that before it, if it should go down, they will probably first take out these people. So up and down on the Aussie for me, but I'm not taking the trade. This is the pound. Pound has a similar pin bar on this market crash, and now it's moving in this sideways. And we saw this. So they now right now they like they doing something like they clearing the market. Yeah. So you can see that these highs, they pin them out. Then you can see these lows, then they pinch them out, and they moving in here. So what basically the market makers are doing now, you know, they just waiting how these positions exposure will change, and then they will move the market accordingly. So it's definitely doing the algos, it's not the people. I was watching this very closely on the 5-minute time frames, how it's amazingly moving, and this has to be something programmed from the market, like it has to be some algo. So it's definitely something like that, because this is so sophisticated system how this forex is moving, and so they can keep both sides in the loss. You can see it actually here, because we can see that here is the cluster of the buyers, so, and they are losing, and here start the losing sellers. So more people sold below this price and more people bought above this price, and look where they keep the price. Yeah, so they keep always the both sides on the losing. So when the more people start to buy then sell, the market will go down. When the more people start to sell, the market will go up. They always go the other side than the retail traders. So in here we could probably see that they will go lower and they will take out these stop losses, but as well they will want to clear this one. So what I could do is I will put sell limit here, because I think that even if they go lower here then up, so I will think that the more probably is this drop here because of this growth in these past days, and we have the more lost buyers. So the market should go more down, because they want more people to lose. So if we have losing 52% people and you move market down, so you will give the chance to win only 19% people. So it's better to go down if you have this ability to move the price. This is the USD CAD. USD CAD had big drop, and I took this trade which I posted last time in my intraday. So I entered here, and I closed it yesterday somewhere around here. So I didn't take this profit. This was something like another 100 pips, but no matter, it's good for me anyway. Was a nice trade. And now what do I see here? So we had this consolidation during the yesterday, during this Asia session, and we can see that the people was buying, they put stop losses, then they just take them out slowly here, and now it seems they want to go up. However, as the market is going up, so the people start to be winning, and we still have more shorters than the buyers here, so you can see here's the bigger stop loss cluster than here. I see the more probability to go up. However, this on this USD cut we have this downtrend. I cannot say the downtrend because if we look at the daily chart, it's basically moving in the channel like this, and we are now here, and we could see the break. Look at your charts on the day, so we are somewhere around like here now. And what's mostly happening, I cannot say that this is the downtrend because it still didn't make the lower low. So what could still happen is that they just come back and they could continue with this uptrend. So it's a tricky situation right now here, but for the intradays, I believe that we could see some reversal, because when the market is going down, people are shorting. So if you look like this, we have a lot of people shorted here. So what the market makers will want to do, they will want to take it up, to take them out before they maybe continue down or maybe go up. However, you can see that there is just 25% sellers losing and 32 buyers. So, and the ratio is like 58-42. I don't know. It's changing a lot. Last week, if you look to my videos, the people was more on the buys. You can see that now they're changing their sentiment to the short. So when it's changing to the sentiment, actually I mean to the longs, so it's giving me the signal to go short. So let's see. Right now the market after last week it's changed to like 50-40, so it's not any clear. So I will not trade here. This is the USD Japanese yen. USD Japanese yen I expected to drop a bit, definitely, because this market moving up, and the people start to buy, so it's changing to 60% to these buyers, so it's giving me the signal to go short. It's good. And if we look here, so here is the buyers cluster and they have stop losses here, so I expect the market to clear out definitely these stop losses and these stop losses. So what I will do is that I'll try to take a short. It's like a 50 pips, but it's intraday, so let's try it. USD CHF, nothing clear in here. I expect it in the long term to drop down. I have a swing trade sell limit order a bit higher, and for the intraday I do not know. I can see the big order here, and I can see that the buyers cluster start to be here, the bigger one. So they might want to move the market higher to attract more buyers and kill these sellers, but not clear, nothing clear. This is the Aussie yen. Aussie is strengthening pretty a lot, and what do I see here is this perfect. This is my, I don't like to trade the formations, but what do I see here is this. So I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Look how many people shorted here. How many? A lot, and they have stop losses here. So what do you think? Do you think the market will just go down? Nah, they will at least move here. So I think I will take a long trade with this short scalp for stop hunt. So I will go with the market makers to take them out. Next one is Euro Yen. Euro Yen, the ratio not telling me anything clear. I see that the people in this range, there was a buyer, sellers. I can see big order here. So probably we will see the drop. However, if this drop happen, I think that first they could take this out. So I will try sell limit here this time, because yeah, and we are as well getting into this supply zone. So I do not think this will go up too much, because we have this big one, and yeah, I will leave it like this. So I'll go for short. This is the pound yen. Here was the nice stop hunt, and we can see a lot of people in the longs here. Here is a lot of people in the longs, and they are actually the winning and the profit sellers. I think this will drop as well, because the ratio is pretty good. The people was winning here. Here was this pin bar. Here was this spike to the supply zone, and the people entered longs here. So I think this can go short, and I will open the short right away. Just down here. I'm not giving the big targets because it's an intraday, as you know. And here, what do we see here? This one looks nice. We have the Euro Aussie. We can see, everyone can see this one. So if something like this happen, the people see that and they want to trade it. So they see some pin bar, the market start to drop, so they started to sell. We can see a lot of orders here, and they are in the trap now. So they keep them in the loss, and the ratio is still like this. A lot of people shorting, even 78%. So I believe this one will go up. So I'm going to buy, and I will put the take profit just here. So this is it for today. It looks just as simple that you know, I'm not thinking too much about, I'm not doing too much analysis, some trend lines and these, but this is the strategy which I'm testing, and I'm revising all the videos, and then I'm comparing if it was good or not, you know. So that's why I trade with just 0.01, and I'm slowly getting some data, and I will see if this is worth to trade or not. As well as I said, I have some swing trades in my channel. So what I do trade now, I'm looking to go long on the pound Kiwi yen, as well I'm looking to go short on the Euro USD when it moves up, as well I'm looking to short the Euro franc. I'm looking to short Euro Singapore dollar, and I'm looking to short USD CHF. This is the trades, and Euro GBP. So this is the trades I'm looking for at the moment. And let's see. So this is it, my friends, and I wish you happy trading. Bye bye.